Hi, my name's Dave and we're here at Wilbur's Furniture, and we're going to show you how Wilbur's goes about getting your furniture ready to go to your house or on our display floor. First thing we'll do is we'll cut off the bottom of this box, which I have done previously. Then we'll make a quick visual inspection of the bottom. I can see I have some feet missing right here and here, and I have to remove these pieces of cardboard that were inserted during shipping, which I'll do, as well as a shipping leg here in the front, which will also be removed. And then we'll progress to step 2. Okay, we've replaced the feet on the bottom, we've removed the shipping leg and the cardboard pieces that were there for shipping. Next thing we'll do is flip it over, take it out of the box, and do a visual inspection. Okay, we've removed the cardboard box from the piece. Now we'll take off the packing material and continue our visual inspection of the unit. Okay, we've removed our packing material. We've located the hardware package and removed that. We'll get the hardware out, we'll line everything up and count it to make sure we have the right amount of pieces. And I can see just from a quick visual inspection that we've got a couple drawer issues here that we'll need to realign. So we'll be putting this up on the horses, removing the back, and then we'll show you where we're going to go from there. We've got the handles all put on now, the unit, and I've done a visual inspection of the drawers, and I've come across a couple problems. This drawer does not go in all the way. This drawer goes in farther on one side than the other. So now what we're going to do is put it up on the horses, remove the back, so we can align the slides and make all the drawers operate correctly. Okay, got the back off now. And I can do an inspection of the back bearings. You can see that the drawers come all the way to the back of the cabinet. Got corner blocks in all the locations for structural integrity. And I see immediately I have a couple problems with a couple of the back bearings. This one's cracked, this one's pulling out, so we'll repair those first. When we're done repairing those, then we'll adjust the level of the drawers in the front by moving our slides. Okay, we've replaced our back bearings, which is this piece here on the drawer slide. You can see the dust divider for between the drawers. Now we'll adjust the front of the drawer. If any of the drawers are misaligned on the front, we'll pull this screw out of this back slide and adjust it to the left and right until we come up with the drawer that's straight and level. That'll be our next step. Okay, as you can clearly see, our bottom drawer here is quite misaligned, and that's another reason we take the back off. It makes it very easy to align these. Tom's helping me out. He's behind it, and what he'll do is he'll realign that back slide until I tell him this drawer is straight. So go ahead, Tom, and if you'd realign that slide, and that's close, right there. And then he'll replace the screw and we'll have a drawer that's in correct alignment. Okay, we've got our back bearings fixed, we've got our alignment correct, we've put the back on the unit. Our next step now is to lubricate the bottoms of the drawers so everything slides correctly. And the first thing we'll do that is by removing the drawer. We'll pull the drawer out and we'll take some drawer lube, which we'll wipe along the outside edges liberally in order to provide a lubrication that doesn't dry up. It will keep the drawers sliding for years to come. Obviously we'll cut this short. I don't think they want to stand here watching me lube them up for 10 minutes. Then we go to the spray slide, which is the next step for the metal piece. Spray that again, as well as the metal piece inside the cabinet. We reinsert our drawer. And now we have very smooth drawer operation. Okay, I finished lubing the unit. And that's what we do for 94 years at Wilbur's. That's how we get a dresser ready to go. We make it ready to be in your home. We make sure it's all lined up, that everything works properly. We do such a good job of this. I've even had customers ask if there were two versions of the same furniture because they'd seen the same furniture in other stores and it didn't work properly, it wasn't aligned correctly, and they wondered how come ours was so much better. And it's better because we make it better.